If one of your goals for this year is to actually make more money in your bank account or increase your income on a daily basis, then this video is for you. Because on this video, I'll be sharing with you one thing that you can do to actually make more money in your life in this year 2024. Hey guys, my name is Chris. I'm super excited that you are on this video. On this channel, I share everything about making money, how to get more customers, how to grow your business, and everything about increasing your income. Now, if you watch on this channel, you can see a lot of videos that will be of interest to you. So you want to stick around, make sure you join the family by subscribing and set the notification buttons on so that whenever I put out a video like this, then you will be notified. All right, guys. So for you to actually make the money that you are looking at making, for you to actually increase your income in this year 2024, one thing you want to do is to begin to sell something. Yes, guys, in as much as we say you should sell something, you must understand that selling something is not just selling something. So what do I mean by this? Now, in as much as I am saying that you should sell a thing, you want to make sure that whatever it is that you are selling is something that people actually need. There must be a lot of people that need that value that you are looking to collect money from people with. Right? So you must be able to have value for people to actually give you value, which is the money that you are looking for. So there should be an exchange of value. Exchange of value, that is the solution you are offering them, to the problems that they have. If you can actually create products or services that is solving a problem for people, they will very well, give you the money that you actually want. Someone actually said that for you to make money, then you must be ready to help lots of people, all right, on a daily basis. So the number of people that you can help on a daily basis determines how much of money you will be making in your life. So the next time you are thinking of making money, you want to ask yourself, what solution can you offer? What problems can you solve? Now, looking at the problems, you want to ask yourself, how many people actually have those problems? How many people actually need the solution? Because it is in the number of people that needs the solution, it is in the number of people that have this problem that determine how much you will be making at the end of the day. Because you just don't want to create a solution to something that will, not be needed tomorrow. When I mean tomorrow, I'm talking about the future. So you want to create a solution. You want to create a solution to a particular problem that is evergreen. Evergreen is something that is always trending. Evergreen is something that is always there, even after, after some time. So you want to create an evergreen solution. You want to look for an evergreen problem and create a solution to that problem. That is one way you can actually make money in your life. So the one thing you want to do right now is to sit yourself down and ask yourself, what is the one problem that you can see that a lot of people actually have? And what is the one solution that you can give to this one problem that a lot of people are actually looking out for? If you can give answers to this questions, then you have money in your bank account. Because the next thing you want to do is to begin to create that problem and create the solution to that problem and begin to distribute the solutions out, right? So this one thing is what you can do to actually make money in your life right now. So get to work, guys, and begin to make that money that you are looking for. I will see you again on another video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like this video if you got value, and I will say bye bye for now.